Are you dealing with fatigue, frequent urination, or pain when you pee? These symptoms, often ignored, could signal early kidney issues. Your kidneys are vital for filtering waste from your blood. When they don't function well, it can lead to serious health problems. While genetics and medical conditions affect kidney health, your diet and lifestyle play a huge role too. Many people don't realize the foods they eat can damage their kidneys, enjoying them without knowing the risks. So let's take a look at some foods to watch out for. High sodium foods. Too much sodium can cause high blood pressure, a key risk factor for kidney disease. Foods like breakfast cereals, pizza, canned soups, and salad dressings are loaded with sodium. Reducing these can improve your kidney health. High-protein foods. Protein is important for tissue repair, but too much can worsen kidney damage for those with kidney disease. However, high-protein intake doesn't harm healthy kidneys. Sugar-sweetened drinks. High intake of these drinks can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which strain the kidneys. High potassium foods. If you have kidney disease, managing potassium is key. High potassium can cause irregular heartbeats and muscle cramps. Limit foods like orange juice, raisins, and nuts, and choose lower potassium options like apples, broccoli, kale, and carrots. High phosphorus diet. Excess phosphorus can harm the kidneys. Avoid fast foods, soda, frozen meats, beer, and wine. Also, check food labels to avoid packaged foods with added phosphorus. Cook thoroughly or parboil some vegetables to reduce their phosphorus content. Do you know the best part? Simple dietary changes can greatly improve kidney health. It's all about balance and making informed choices. Your kidneys deserve attention. By cutting back on sodium, protein, potassium, phosphorus, and sugary drinks, you can keep them functioning properly. Want more tips and personalized kidney nutritional care? Click on the link in the description for a free consultation. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family.